Nice to see you.
Coach.
Coach, congrats.
Coach, congrats. Parang iba yung nilaro ng mga bata mo yung coach, ah.
Coach,
Very
tanong
urgency.
ako nila ngayon.
May sense to.
Okay, so,
Revenge game ba?
siguro, because of naman, siguro because of adjustments, continue to adjust as the games go on. Looking for the best people on the floor. Kaya kita niyo minsan, meron akong personnel talaga, as in 3, 4. Hindi na makitry to manage the game time, fouls.
Coach, ano naiisip niyo yung last 2 minutes?
Well, knowing Lasal, anytime, babalik. Sinabi ko na rin sa kanila sa dugout, there's no 12, 16 points, madali na lang kunin ng team sa UAP yan. So, don't be complacent. Sa kanilang ganun, continue what we're doing. Tapos I will ask them kung gusto nyo pa mag-zone. No coach dito sa dati, so it count galing sa kanila. So continue to press.
Coach, what was the game plan? At to attack them sa transition? Ganun ba yan? Parang takbo kayo ng takbo out there.
Oo, kasi yun lang naman ang we cannot play them half court eh. So at least konting pressure sa backcourt. And they made some errors din sa backcourt kami. Tapos may mga players na who showed up. Casajeros, we got 10 points. Yeah, 10 points, laking bagay. Tapos Javier, evident yung passing namin.
Coach, galing sa medyo malaking talo lang. Ano yung sinabi mo sa team?
Well, sabi ko gano'n, whether you get beaten by 100, 1,000 points, it's just a loss. Forget about your detract, yung mga nagsasabi na whipping boy ang team namin. Basta as long as it's a matter of getting back again, balik tayo ulit sa game, let's prepare, let's work hard, extra hard. Yun ang sinabi ko eh, hindi na sila, I know naman dito mga taga-UE, tambakan mo yan the next day, but yung demeanor nila sa game, hard pa rin, go hard.
Coach, yung first half, lamang na yung UE. Ano sabi niyo nung halftime to keep it going?
Wala, hindi naman sila kasi makapag-kumpiyansa kasi dami rin games na yung come from behind and yung Lasal at yun ang may problem namin yung third quarter, talagang may surge lahat ng teams. So ready lang kami sa third quarter, ano yung gagawin ng Lasal.
Maganda nilalaro ng mga veterano mo, coach, lalo na si Lucas Tagarda.
Yes, sabi ko nung
Dinikdik mo yata, coach, eh.
Sabi ko naman, let's dedicate these last 6 games sa mga veterans natin. And i-all out na natin. Basta wala nang tinginan. Pagka nag-error, baba na lang tayo. Huwag na kayo tumingin sa bench. Just sprint back. Whether you miss or make the basket, huwag na tayong tumingin.
Was it by nung nag-travel siya, di ba, you pushed him back into the court, laro lang, yun ba yun?
Yes, oo. Nagbalik. Mga body language sila. Tulak ko na lang, laro na lang. Go back to the game.
Coach, yung 40 points ba ngayon ka na nakaranas no? Kahit nung player ka pa sa'yo, you never ka nakaranas?
Yes, first time.
Coach, this moral boosting win, I think madadala niyo to sa Thursday against Ateneo. Thoughts mo on that game?
Yeah. Sabi ko sa kanila, guys, let's try to one game lang. Let's get this game first, then let's look forward to sa sinabi ko sa kanila yung Final Four. Kita natin yun. Hindi siguro kayo naniniwala, but sabi ko gano'n. I saw this team play sa field all the teams na dumikit sa amin, we close out hard. We beat all the teams for the close fight. We beat them. Kahit sa NC teams, tinalo namin. So, nating yun sa kanila, pag nag-close fight, just give us the opportunity to win. Yan ang alam mo naman eh, madala ko sila sa winning position. And kung nasa bata na yan, kung makukuha nila.
You're enjoying coaching?
Yeah, siyempre, maraming talagang factors.
Alright.
Coach, you still wish you could put a jersey on and play for the Warriors?
Yes, sinasabi ko eh. Yes, sinasabi ko sa kanilang gano'n. You know, it's your name, it's not my name. So, they are, daming nanonood sa inyo, mga estudyante.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, thank you.
Congrats, coach. Congrats.
Congrats.